Here's everything we ate at Sam's. Welcome back to another video.
All right, guys, so we're at Sam's and Damon is trying
Mexican pastry bread.
conchas.
So trying to make Mexican pastry bread here at Sam's Club. Let's see. Break a little piece off.
What does it taste like?
It almost has a cinnamony, buttery kind of a taste to it, But I sort of really enjoyed it. You really need a bigger piece, so you can get like all of the flavor out of it.
So you guys know we had to get the pizza from Sam's. Comment below which pizza do you get from Sam's. Do you even shop at Sam's? You know Sam's food is a must anytime we go in Sam's. So do you know what this is? The mom was trying to explain to me something new, but I'm a short person, so I couldn't see. Do you know what it is? Looks like a pizza or something. This is the hot dog. And icy is a must at Sam's. Comment below what's your favorite icy.
All right, guys, so we're at Sam's and we are trying the pizza, drink, icy, and hot dog. Damon has a piece of hot dog.
Hot dog, you get it in a very, very long bun, and it's more of a sausage than a hot dog. You don't get any chili. You can order cheese extra, and you can also get relish, mayonnaise, and mustard. They're the condiments over there to the left. But I think it's pretty good. Like if you're passing through Sam's and you get hungry, walking down those long aisles, they know what they're doing. You will get your exercise in there. But, I give their dogs about 6.5. I give it like a 6.5 out of 10.
Don't forget to like, share, comment below. Do you shop at Sam's? What's your favorite Sam's food to get?